If the license plate light is not working, don't panic. You can fix it in just few minutes. No special tools, no experience needed, just a little bit of your spare time. Let me show you how easy this really is. Here you can see the warning on the dashboard showing that one of the exterior lights is not working. This is usually how you find out there is a problem. And here is the issue. One of license plate light is not working, while the other one is still fine. For this job, you only need a few basic tools, a small screwdriver and a correct replacement light. That's it, nothing fancy. Now I can carefully remove the license plate housing, held in by the small clips or screws. Once it's loose, you can pull the light out together with the bulb holder. If your car has LED, it's even easier. You can just disconnect the old one and connect the new light. At this point, you can replace the bulb. Keep in mind, this can vary from car to car and model to model. Some car uses a regular bulb and some use LED units. Now we can reinstall everything back into place. Make sure the light sits properly and the connection is fully locked in. Before putting everything back into the place, let's test it out. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe for more DIY car fixes. Now everything is back together. And as we can see, both license plate lights are working perfectly. Let's get back into the car. The dashboard warning is gone. No more errors. Problem solved. And here is the final result. License plate light working exactly as they should.